So, I just got one of the coolest lights I have ever played with before. Whoa, is that a cop? Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. Just kidding. It's the light! These things are really cool. I cannot wait to share it with you, and I'm giving one of these away to one of you lucky subscribers out there. Hold on, let me get back to the studio in 1 second. Now, before we get to what I consider to be one of the coolest lights I've ever played with, I just wanted to take a second to welcome you to my channel and say if you're new here, make sure you hit that. And if you feel like it and you can reach it, make sure you hit that. This channel has been growing because of you guys watching, and amazing companies like Ulanzi are sending me gear to review. And I do have some really amazing products heading my way. I'm so excited. All right, let's dive into this R70 RGB. And the first thing you might notice is they actually sent me 2 of these. And yes, I'll be giving one of these away, and I'll tell you more about that later on. All right, let's get it out of the box. This is a sleek looking design, and it's pocket sized, so it's super easy to transport. You know how grandpas put their phones in there? It feels quality, hard, very durable. It comes with a USB-C cable for charging. It comes with this cold shoe mount so that you can put it on your camera or other accessories. And it comes with this Allen key. Is it called Allen key or hex key? It has this really intuitive arm. It's actually pretty cool. It bends and contorts in so many different ways to be useful in just about any situation, whether you need to quickly hang it on something or just rest it on a flat surface. And it also has a magnetic back, so if you need to just like set it up against something metal, it will stay there. The arm does have a couple screw threads, a cold shoe, there's a screw thread on the body right here. They thought of like everything on this thing. It has an on-off switch and a dimmer dial and a mode button and a function dial, which also doubles as a button. The power up time is pretty quick. It has a 2-hour battery life on full power, full brightness. And the power button also doubles as a standby mode, so you can just press it once and that way it'll stay on, but it won't be using the battery because it's not on. So in normal light mode, you can adjust the brightness and temperature with an adjustable bicolor like the gamma. So with just the normal light, it gives you a ton of options to really customize and fine tune your lighting for any situation. It has 360 RGB colors where you can also customize the brightness and the saturation. And you can use this little key on the arm to navigate and fine tune the color that you're looking for. Now here is where it gets really fun. The light has 20 pre-programmed scenes to mimic light from different scenarios. You ready? Actually, hold on, I gotta turn off all the lights and cover that door. 1 second. Ah, the power went out. Don't worry, I'll light a candle. All right. Sabi, I can name that tune in 6 notes. Now you guys already saw from the beginning the cop car one. There's ambulance mode, fire. I like this one. So you set it down in front of you and then you just kind of like pretend like there's a fire there. Add some sound effect. Trying to get good lighting for different scene scenarios has always been a bit tricky, but with each of these modes plus some creative sound effects, you can make these elements come to life. Maybe put it outside of a window and let it shoot in there and add the sound effects. Basically, if you're ever shooting a party scene and you want it to feel like the party's happening, you throw a bunch of these lights around in different spots. And you know that there's gonna be someone right behind me the next shot. No pictures, please, no pictures. Okay, fine. And that's like only half the scenes, but we gotta move on. So the price for this is only $76, which is actually really good value for what you're getting. Now real quick, I just wanted to shout out another light that they sent me that's kind of similar, but also kind of different. For $60, the VL3. It does have a bunch of the same lighting features, minus a couple, but then also some new ones. It also doubles as a power bank. So you can actually plug anything USB like a phone or a camera into this and get some charge out of it. Now I'm not saying necessarily one is better than the other. This one's nice with the arm on it. This one just has 2 different screw threads. It doesn't have the magnetic back like this one does. And the controls on the VL3 are a little bit harder to navigate than the ones here on the R70. Like I like just having a dial to be able to control the brightness instead of having to hold your finger down on it. But I just wanted to let you know that this is an option as well for $60. Links in the description. Did you know the links were in the description? The links are in the description. Plus, So to wrap this all up, I just want to say, wow. You can get really creative with these things. Me and my wife actually just had like a romantic little dinner in our backyard with a fire, and I just put these lights up and they created such a really nice mood with the different colors.